Okay, hello. Welcome to the video. This is a mess. I have the hiccups. Carrianne.
I just launched a tooth across the kitchen.
Oh.
I found it. No, I didn't.
What is this video
I found the
already?
other part too. Oh shit.
What are we doing, guys?
We are getting ready for the Ren Fair.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
If Ashley could learn how to breathe.
Yeah, that'd be
Not
good.
have hiccups.
That'd be good.
My fangs aren't working anymore. So.
Random shout out to JMU.
JMU softball, you rock my world.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if you guys watch softball. It's really good though.
If you guys aren't watching the College Women's World Series, what are you doing with your life? It's so good. Watch it. Support women's sports.
We even got Eric to watch some of it.
Yeah.
You might want to cut this, but there's a random pill in here and I don't know what it is.
I'm not editing this video at all.
Oh,
So
I just have a random pill. Oh, I have two.
I'm sure it's fine.
That's fine.
Alright.
Why do your things work? Why don't my things work anymore?
These are my OGs.
See, but my OGs were always falling out. Don't you remember?
Yeah.
So.
The OGs.
These are my OGs, but they don't have anything in them anymore. See?
Wow.
Where?
But I keep trying to use the pellets.
Look at the difference.
And the pellets say no. Yeah, for real.
The difference in the OGs and the new ones. We like the OGs.
I'm gonna have to just glue it to my teeth, honestly.
So we're going to the Ren Fair tomorrow. So we're getting they're going to Splinter and Gunther. So we'll be recording that. And that video
Filter and Gunther are going to the Ren Fair.
They are going. What is
right.
Who the fuck?
That video will be out next Saturday.
Oh, I got my.
Take some deep breaths, my dude.
Fulter's nose ring.
Oh, yes.
So
Do you still have the gay shirt?
You told me to burn it! Damn it.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Remember, you said I couldn't be fucking happy.
so they're gonna make shirts, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get this mark.
Oh, we're making a new gay shirt?
Yes, a new gay
Yes.
shirt for you, Flo and Butter.
I'm so excited. Happy Pride Month.
Yes.
We're making a gay shirt.
Is that what I should title this video?
No.
Shut the fuck up, Ashley! God.
No one asked your opinion!
It's not about you. Where's the dog?
Jeremy should be
She's
her.
probably running from your hiccups.
Or did I let her outside?
I have no idea. You learn outside, the light's not on outside.
Well, she's not outside though.
Xena!
What is this video already? This is already random as crap. This is what you guys did not
Learn
sign
how
up
to
for,
take
but
deep
it's what you're
breaths.
getting. Learn how to take deep breaths. Like,
Put these put the shirt in the shirt.
Put-
Yeah.
oh
Put
my
the
gosh.
shirt on the. People don't usually ask me to put shirts on things.
oh my god. That is a
They don't ask you to
TMI.
take them off either.
Damn it.
I don't know who you think you fooling.
These 12-year-olds watching the video are not fooled.
You don't know me.
So, thinking. Oh, I guess you go downstairs and get some blood too.
Yes, it's just fake blood. Yeah.
Right.
From second dungeon.
Right, I definitely didn't get it from
Y'all should watch Flinter and Gunther.
I guess like not
Short film.
a-
You haven't.
Not a.
vampire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to rate? You want me to rate?
I don't know.
Whose handwriting is better?
We have extra shirts in case we fuck
Yeah,
up.
we do.
Oh.
We both have an extra shirt.
My
Yes.
heart hurts from hiccuping so much.
Okay. Can we like?
Lord, am I okay?
Hold it.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like.
Uh-huh.
Oh God. Yeah. This is harder than you think. Why is this difficult? Ah.
Your end's pretty good.
If it's just lines, it's not that bad. It's like the O.
Don't spell it wrong.
I know, I'm trying to look how do you spell vampire?
VAMPIRE.
Are you sure?
SEXY.
Wow, this is thrilling content. Bruh, I'm not editing this. Follow Carrianne on Instagram.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Follow Rebecca on the Instagram.
Yeah, do that too.
You can follow me if you want.
VAMPIRE, right?
Oh my god. Y'all really actually asking that something.
Shut up, I'm dyslexic.
Listen, I don't want to spell it wrong.
It'd just be funny if you spelled it wrong.
I don't have spell check on this shit.
That's not autocorrect. What the heck?
I didn't go to college.
I went to college.
You have an excuse, Rebecca.
Yeah, because I definitely should have learned how to spell until college.
Yeah. That's what you don't learn that until
You
college.
definitely don't learn how to spell in college.
Not
the vampire.
Dope.
Amazing.
Looks great. We'll blood splatter it later. Is this like dry? Is this wet? I'm trying to make it a little thicker.
Oh, yeah.
Make it thick.
Make it thick. Yes. Video every Saturday, guys, by the way, who's watching.
Yes.
So you can subscribe if you want. There's good stuff. You should watch White Girl Apocalypse for sure.
Yes, watch it.
It's good. And if you've watched it, you should watch it again. Like, right after you finish watching this video. Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm practicing. Okay, but like that's easier than the shirt.
I love that the this is not centered.
Yeah, why would it be? We're vampires. I mean, they're vampires. They can't read. We gotta put our Venmo on the back.
Oh no.
Anyone watching this, if you want to Venmo.
Oh.
Wow.
You know, it's an artistic choice.
Okay. I don't know if anyone believes you. Let's go for it.
It's Venmo, right? VENMO. Yes.
This is what you guys signed up for. Riveting content. Yes. Let us know what you want to see. In comment. Oh. I like this teamwork you have going on.
Yes, it's because my marker's like low-key dying.
Even though we just opened it?
All Venmo proceeds are going to Eric's film.
Mm-hmm. Guys, link in bio if you want to donate to his GoFundMe. We'd appreciate it, and he'd appreciate it.
We're gonna do a
every dollar counts. Literally,
we're
even
gonna do a truth and dare live stream pretty soon. We'll let you know details when it gets closer, and it will be to support his film Karma.
Yeah, and basically how it's gonna work, you'll use the super chat to give us a truth or a dare, and we'll do it. But we're only gonna do it like through super chat, so that way we can raise money for Eric and his film.
It should be a fun time.
So yeah. And like super chat guys, literally like $1. Like you don't have to do lots of money.
Yeah.
And we'll do lots of crazy stuff if you guys want us to. So, yes. Oh, these hiccups hurt.
And stop doing it.
Okay.
Sorry, I felt violent.
I can tell. I'm gonna try to find the dog. Lena.
Teamwork, hell yeah.
Lena. Is she behind the couch? Nope. Lena, honey. Honey child. Lena. Lena. You guys see her back there? Let's go. Hina, she goes under the bed. Zena, they can't see you. It's too dark. She's feeling antisocial. Okay. I'm gonna be outside, out there in the kitchen. She's being antisocial again. Lord. That hiccup almost knocked me over. You think I'm playing, I'm not.
T. E. This is hard. R.
Y'all are gonna be getting more good content. This is content, but
Underscore.
we were busy this week, okay?
Should have done it smaller to put it on one line.
Right.
It's fine. G. U.
Oh.
N.
Mhm.
T.
Mhm. Mhm.
E.
Like that y'all know how to spell Flinter and Gunther, but not Flippin' Vampire. Like, which one's easier? Flinter, Gunther, or Vampire?
This is my
This
name.
is our name. What the hell? You want to go over that for me? Thanks,
All day.
Mama.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna end this video here, even though nothing's happened. Because, oh my
But wait,
gosh.
wait.
What?
We're gonna show you.
What about my tech decks?
I'm going to have a bucket hat.
Y'all have 7 minutes to do stuff.
Can't put together tech decks in 7 minutes.
Well,
Can you just show them? Where are they at?
In the bag.
like that you want to show
Right
them.
there.
You're like, I have to.
I'm so excited about this.
I just hope everyone comments hiccups.
Oh,
Everyone comments how Ashley learned how to breathe. Look at these. These are so cool, guys.
Look at my tech decks. Oh, it's
not
upside down.
sponsored, but we could be Tech Deck.
I can put them together myself and switch out the wheels and shit.
I'll be back.
Look at the baby tool. It's so cute.
I used to have some of those.
So cute. I love tech decks. They're awesome.
I just think skateboards are really cool,
Me too.
but I never learned how to use a skateboard. But I think they, like, I love just the designs they have on them. I don't know where Rebecca went. This video is literally so chaotic, but also not. But also nothing's happening. But also... Yeah, that's my point. It's that.
Wow.
Every time I hiccup, I slightly hate myself more. This is not good. Oh my goodness.
Shut up! I'm really nice, I swear.
That one was like... What the heck? This is like... Yeah. This is...
Something else, for sure.
For sure.
Totally.
I'm just gonna use one of the YouTube suggested thumbnails. Instead of making a thumbnail.
Just make
for this
it
video.
hiccups or some shit.
I'm just gonna title this video Hiccups.
Hiccups. That's the main point of this entire video.
Yeah. That's good. Oh my god, that one hurt.
Yes.
I'm gonna awkwardly zoom on your face. Ah!
flinter on mine, like to make sure they know who I am. You know.
Right. Rebecca's been gone for an awfully long time.
Yes, where the fuck are you? Oh, whoops.
Whatever. I'm not editing this video. I refuse.
I refuse.
That's mean.
Sound like a deranged chicken.
Well, it's also mean. Well, this has been a video that you have watched, and I'm sorry that you watched.
Sorry you had to hear hiccups. I found the denture stuff.
We'll see you next week with Gunther and Gunther at the Ren Fair.
Yay!
Yes.
Bye!
It'll be much more exciting than these.
What do you mean? This is quality.
You're right.
We didn't film this at the last minute.
Of course not.
Late at night.
Why would we do that?
We totally care about what we put out on our channel. We're very picky. Bye!
Bye!